The unboxing and preparation of the Midtown Memory Foam mattress is quite simple. This happens to be a full-size mattress which is compressed and roll packed into a box that's about 15 inches by 15 inches by 42 inches. The Midtown mattress is made in the USA with 100% American componentry. When you're cutting the tape to unbox your product, slide your knife parallel to the outside walls of the box so as to not puncture the cardboard and put a hole in your brand new mattress. Once you open the box, you'll find that the mattress is compressed and roll packed. Do not puncture the plastic wrapping around the mattress at this time. Instead, remove the mattress in its rolled up condition from the box and place it upon the foundation where it will be used. You may want to get somebody to help you with this step, as some of the mattresses can be pretty heavy. Before unrolling and unpackaging your mattress, please make sure it is at room temperature to avoid potential damage to some of the viscoelastic memory foam contained inside. First, begin by stripping away the outer plastic band that is holding the mattress in its rolled shape. Do not cut this plastic sheath with a knife, as you'll risk putting a hole in your brand new mattress. I suggest using your hands to peel back this outermost wrapping like I'm doing here, all the time taking care not to rip open the inner plastic wrapping that's used as an airtight layer around the mattress, keeping it compressed. The outer plastic band is usually wrapped around the mattress a few times, so roll the mattress back and forth to peel back this outer wrapping. When you reach the end, do not peel this outer wrapping away from where it is attached to the mattress, as this again can prematurely rip the inner plastic wrapping off of the mattress and cause it to expand before you're ready to have things laid out appropriately. Now you're ready to unroll and unfold the mattress and properly position it upon your foundation. Once the mattress is all unfolded and in its proper spot, manually rip a hole in the plastic at one corner of the mattress and allow it to inflate and recover its shape. I recommend ripping the bag by hand around the perimeter of the mattress as it inflates, and slide the plastic off from underneath the mattress, keeping the mattress in place so it can continue to expand. Again, do not use a knife to remove the plastic. It's just way too easy to accidentally poke a hole in your brand new product. You may note that initially some of the fabric may show wrinkles. This is normal from the compression, but the spandex used in the fabric will eliminate these wrinkles as the foam expands to its full resting height. Also, slight repositioning of the cover on the outside of the mattress will assist with this. Let your mattress rest for 24 hours before using it. After that, properly position the mattress upon your foundation. The end with the white tag there is the head of the bed. And then cover it with a mattress pad or mattress protector. Then you're all set to enjoy your brand new Midtown Memory Foam mattress.